Badoo, how to fix profile picture not uploading on Badoo. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue if your profile picture is failing to upload on the Badoo app. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. The very first thing to check is your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching over to mobile data, or if you're on mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi. A weak or unstable network is one of the most common reasons why uploads fail. Next, make sure your Badoo app is updated to the latest version. Head over to the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Badoo. And if you see an update button, tap it. Outdated apps can cause random glitches like this. If it's still not working, try logging out and back in. Open the app. Just tap your profile icon at the bottom, then hit the gear icon at the top right to open Settings. Scroll down, tap Logout, then sign back in with your account details. Once you're back in, check if the upload works. Another fix, especially for Android users, is to clear the cache and data. Long press the Badoo app icon, tap the little I for app info, go into Storage, and clear the cache. If that doesn't solve it, you can also clear data, but keep in mind this will log you out, so make sure you know your password before doing it. For iPhone users, there's no direct clear cache option, but you can uninstall and reinstall the app. This basically refreshes everything and usually solves most uploading problems. By checking your internet, updating the app, logging out and back in, or clearing the cache, you should be able to fix the problem of your profile picture not uploading. And that's it. Hopefully one of these fixes works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.